Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad Zaidi. I am from Group 2, and in this presentation, we will be discussing about the topics the tank heating process with variable Holdup. This process is commonly used in chemical, food and pharmaceutical industry. It involves heating a liquid inside a tank while it is continuously stirred to make sure the temperature stay uniform throughout the liquid. Holdup refers to the condition where the amount of liquid in the tank change over a time. This happens when the inlet and outlet flow rates are not equal. As the liquid volume change, it affects the heating rates and the temperature response of the system. Because of this process become more dynamic and challenging to control. Understanding this system is very important because it helps improve heat transfer, temperature control and product quality, ensuring efficient operation. The main objective of this process is to achieve efficient heating and temperature control, which are essential for producing consistent and high quality product. For example, in the food industry, this type of system can be used to heat ingredients safely without burning them, while in chemical plant, it helps maintain the right reaction temperature for product stability. Due to this variation, controlling the temperature become more challenging. Engineer must carefully monitor and adjust the heat input and flow rates to maintain a stable operation condition. By studying this system, we can understand how heat transfer and process control work together in a real industry situation. This knowledge is important because it helps industry to improve energy efficiency, ensure product safety and maintain consistent quality during production.
Ada 7 main komponen yang ada pada stir tank heating process, iaitu tank, heater, mixer, feed inlet dan outlet, temperature sensor, controller dan control valve. Antara kaedah yang digunakan pada stir tank heating process iaitu cool liquid masuk ke dalam tangki dalam flow rate yang tertentu. Seterusnya, heater akan bekalkan haba untuk naikkan suhu liquid. Seterusnya, ia akan masuk ke dalam mixer dan mixer digunakan supaya liquid dalam tangki itu campur sekata. Selepas itu, liquid akan melalui temperature sensor yang ini digunakan untuk mengawal suhu liquid. Dan akhir sekali adalah liquid yang panas akan keluar dari tangki bila ia mencapai suhu yang ditetapkan.
The volume of liquid in the tank remain constant, which means the inflow rate and outflow rate are equal. General energy balance equation is relates the rate of change of internal energy to the energy entering and leaving the system, plus any heat is added. The internal energy is expressed as density multiplied by volume and specific heat capacity times with the temperature difference from a reference temperature. After substituting and simplifying, an equation showing that the rate of temperature change depending on 3 factors, which is 1. The difference between inlet and the tank temperature, the flow rate of the incoming stream, and the third one is the amount of heat supplied to the system. Since the holdup is constant, only temperature change with time, while volume is remain fixed. Here is the derivation for the constant holdup equation. Next, for the variable holdup, the volume inside the tank is not constant, meaning that the inflow and outflow rates are different. So, both temperature and liquid volume can change over the time. Let's start with the same general energy balance equation, but now when we differentiate the internal energy term, we must consider 2 parts, which is the change in temperature and the change in volume. And the mass balance, which relates the rates of change of volume to the difference between inflow and outflow. After combining two equations and simplifying it, one equation shows how temperature changes with time and another one shows how volume changes with time. This model is more flexible because it can represent unsteady conditions where the tank level is increasing or decreasing. This is derivation for the variable equation.
So, what is different between stir tank heating process constant hold up and stir tank heating process variable hold up? Stir tank heating process constant hold up has a fixed liquid volume with no inflow or outflow during heating. It is usually used for batch processes that are easier to control, while stir tank heating process variable hold up has a changing liquid volume due to inflow or outflow of liquid during the process. It is used for continuous or semi-continuous process which are more complex but suitable for industrial applications such as pasteurization and multi-stage chemical reactions. This process is widely used in industries that require temperature control and uniform mixing such as food and beverage industry. This is for heating of sauce, milk, chocolate, or soup before bottling or packaging. Ensures uniform temperature and texture while the tank volume changes. For example, milk pasteurization process in a tank with inlet and outlet flow. Second, chemical industry. This is used for temperature control, chemical reactions such as exothermic reactions. This is suitable when raw materials are added gradually, causing variable hold-up. For example, production of polymer, resin or paint in a heated and stirred tank. Number 3, pharmaceutical industry. For mixing and heating drug solution such as syrups or active ingredients, maintains optimal temperature even when liquid volume changes during addition. For example, formulation of cold syrup or cream. Number 4, personal care and cosmetic industry. This is for heating and mixing lotions, liquid soaps or shampoos. Liquids are added gradually while stirring and maintaining temperature for uniform texture. Number 5, energy and biofuel process. This is applied in bioreactor fermenters where liquid such as nutrients or water is added while heating, for example, production of bioethanol or biodiesel.